Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see self-practice 11E. Self-practice 11E. Okay, constructing triangles. Construction of triangles. Here, if two sides and the included angles are given, one side and two angles are given, or three sides of the triangles are given. For these conditions, we have to construct a triangle. How will we construct a triangle? Using these conditions. Okay, now let's see construct the triangles. Exercise self-practice 11E, triangle ABC, in which triangle AB, AC, BC 9 cm, and we have to find angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, first we should draw a rough diagram. Here I have drawn ABC triangle. Okay, we should take biggest side. First we should take the biggest side as base. First we should take biggest side as base, as a base. Okay, so then you can easily draw other sides. It will be easy for you. Is it clear? For all type of triangles you should take the biggest side as common, as a common. Okay, so here I have taken BC is common. Okay, so 9 cm, then this is 7 cm, this is 6 cm. Okay, so here BC, using the ruler you have to take 9 cm. Okay, here I have taken 9 cm. Is it clear? And students listen. Now using compass, take 6 cm on the ruler, and okay, using compass take 7 cm. Here 7 cm na? So using compass take 7 cm on the ruler. Okay, and taking B as center, draw on arc. Is it clear? Now and again using compass take 6 cm on the ruler, taking C as center, draw an arc which is intersecting previously drawn arc. Is it clear? Now mark this point A. Join AC, join AB. Okay, join A to C and join B to C. So this triangle ABC is the required triangle. Is it clear, students? Good. Now self-practice 11F. Students listen. Other questions are very easy. In self-practice 11E, you have to do it by yourself. Is it clear? Now 11F. First question. Okay, triangle ABC. We have to construct triangle ABC. AB 6 cm, AC 8 cm, BAC, and an angle BAC equal to 50 degrees. Students listen. First, already I have said that you should take the biggest side as a base. Okay, so AC biggest side. Okay, and then this is 8 cm na? BAC, this is angle 50 degree. Okay, AB 6 cm, and then you should join BC. This is a rough diagram. Is it clear? So here I have taken 8 cm AC. Is it clear? Then BAC 50 degree. So angle BAC. Students listen. Here you should take upper values, downside value, upside values are there, and downside also values are there. You should see the downside values. Where is 50 degree? Here 50 degree. Okay, because baseline is here na? So you have to start from the baseline. This is very important point, students. You have to start from the baseline. So if baseline is here, then you have to start outer measurements. Okay, that means 0, 10, 20, 30. If base side is here, then you have to start this outer points. Okay, so here base side is here, so you have to start 0, 10 downside values. Is it clear? So here 50 degree, then we just extend the line. Okay, so and then you should take AB 6 cm. AB 6 cm. Okay, AB 6 cm. mark B on it. Now you should join BC. So this is regular triangle, ABC triangle. Is it clear? Good. Then you should mark 50 degree also. 50 degree, this is 8 centimeter na 6 centimeter. You should draw a rough diagram and this original diagram, and then you have to write steps also. At least 4 or 5 steps you must write. Is it clear? You should write 4 or 5 steps for every construction. Is it clear? Good. Then listen students, here self practice 11G first question. AB, there is only one side na, so you should take this side as common. Okay, so here rough diagram, AB 7.4 centimeter. Okay, AB na, okay, BAC 47 degree, ABC 68 degree. So ABC, that means ABC. Okay, ABC. So this is 68 degree. Then CAB, or otherwise BAC, this is 47 degree. Is it clear? So now listen students, here I have drawn a line segment 7.4 centimeter. Is it clear? So this point is A, this point B. Okay, now you have to take this will be C na, so CAB or otherwise BAC, angle BAC, that is equal to 47 degree na. So listen, keep like this. You have to start from here, okay, because baseline here na, so downside points you should see the downside values. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 47 na. So 45, 47, 45, 6, 7. So this is 47. Okay, then you should extend the line. Okay, here ABC 68 degree. So ABC. So ABC. Okay, so here students listen, this is baseline. This is baseline. Baseline is either this side. Okay, so you should take points. From upper values. Okay, so here 10, 20, 50, 40, 50, 60, 68 na, 65, 66, 67, 68. This. Okay, so this point mark C on it. Okay, so this is 47 degree, this is 68 degree. Okay, now this triangle is the recurrent triangle. Is it clear? Now let's move 11H. Okay, 11H first question. Listen students, here 11H first question. Triangle, other sums or homework, you just do it by yourself. Okay students, triangle ABC. If you have any doubt, you can message me, or otherwise you can call me. Okay, right angle triangle, right angle at B. Okay, here we have to construct right angle triangle. AC 10 cm and AB 8 cm. Already I have said you should take biggest side as base, as a base. Okay, so biggest side AC, but right angle at B na. Students here listen, here right angle at B. Okay, so you should take right angle at B. So here you should take AB as a base. AB as base. Is it clear? So here I have taken AB base 8 cm. Okay, and then at B right angle is there. So right angle. Okay, AC 10 cm. 10 cm. So this is 10 cm. Is it clear students? Listen students, here I have drawn a line segment. Okay, AB 8 cm. Okay, and then you should take right angle 90 degree at B. Okay, so this is 90 degree, or otherwise you can directly take, using protractor you can directly take 90 degree, or otherwise students listen, take some radius and you should draw semicircle. Okay, and then don't change the measurement, taking this point as center and draw an arc. Now taking this point as center, draw another arc. Okay, now little bit more. Okay, change this. Now taking this point as center, draw an arc, and now taking this point as center, draw an arc which is intersecting previously drawn arc. Okay, so now we should mark this point, some, okay, A, B, C and otherwise L, okay, L on it, and you should join the line. Okay, so at last you have to draw AC 10 centimeter na? So you should take 10 centimeter. Okay, so should mark here C, mark C on it, and you should join AC. So this is 10 centimeter, this is right angle, this is 80 degree. Now this triangle is regular triangle. Is it clear, friends? For all construction you have to do steps also. You have to write steps, at least 4 or 5 steps is enough. Is it clear? For steps you can see the book. Is it clear, friends? Good, thank you.